Like has a purpose of using a wildcard to match rows. You can use it to find customers that have names starting with letter M, for example. The following statement shows us how to accomplish that. Notice the percent sign allows us to specify a wildcard. We can use like with a percent sign and underscore operators. Underscore operator indicates a position of a character. This query will return all the results that have A as a second letter, followed by any other letters. Adding more underscores means we're just shifting a position. So 2 underscores means a second. 2 letters will be merged, and the third one is the one that we indicated. Second operand is the percent character. This matches any number of characters. The following example demonstrates this. Here we can see the results that contain letters on, O and N, somewhere in the name. Finding ending values, you can just end the like statement with a letter that you would like matched, like in the following example. You can combine this in many ways by being more specific with character positioning and ending. The following example matches names that have A as a second character and end with an M, regardless of the length. Underscore can also be used to specify a length of the word. For example, this query will select all first names that have a length of 3.